Good evening, Zimbabwe. Emerson Mnangagwa no longer needs to be defended. He needs to be rescued, not from the opposition, not from sanctions, but from the Zvigananda cartel that now controls every move he makes. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino zvinzi panapa mutungamiri wenyika unotoonekwa kutonzi ndiye atopa captured nezvigananda. Panguva ino ari kutodawo rubatsiro rwekuti vagari vemunyika yeZimbabwe mubatsire mutungamiri wenyika. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda kwana Kirina Mjati. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. This cartel, led by KUTYA Gray, Auxilia, Sean and Mnangagwa, has turned the presidency into a personal circus. Imagine Mnangagwa, a man with no official post, now parading himself like the first lady, flying ahead of the president on the state visits and inserting himself into national affairs as if he commands the state house. Has ED fallen under a spell? Because this is not leadership, this is capture. Zimbabweans, open your eyes. We are watching a man who is supposed to represent us as the face of Zimbabwe being reduced to a pawn by greedy opportunists feeding off his power. We now behaves as if he is part of the presidential guard, throwing money around to buy attention and false loyalty. He has built an illusion of wealth, but without Emerson Mnangagwa in power, his empire crumbles overnight. KUTYA Gray, the self-proclaimed kingmaker, survives only by draining the state. His businesses are not success stories, they are a mirror of corruption. Remove ED and Gray disappears like smoke. Auxilia, consumed by greed and jealousy toward ED's other wives, has become the face of eternal division. She fuels the false ED 2030 narrative while leading the very discord that weakens him. If she truly cared, she would protect him, not join hands with the looters, destroying the legacy. Then there is Temba Muliswa, the self-appointed defender of power. His noise is not patriotism, it is hustle, a desperate cry for cash to feed his 2 football teams. He calls children. His runs safe, no national interest, only his pockets. Tomashwa ari kuda panguva ino achinyatso kudescribe kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika akakepchwa nevanhu akaita sei nemaangles api, achitouya panguva ino achitoti aiwa betserai mutungamiri wenyika mumubvise muzvigananda umu zvaakawiramo. Zvinokuva kunzi vari kuuya vachiabusa power rake. Pinai comment section medu muzamafukiro imi kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.